Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue rectangle ABCD that consists of these three identical green rectangles, as you can see in this given diagram, such that BD is the diagonal of this blue rectangle, and moreover, this diagonal BD is 26 units long. And now our task is to calculate the area of this blue rectangle ABCD, and we are going to calculate the perimeter of this blue rectangle as well. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Let's focus on these three identical green shaded rectangles. So therefore this segment AE must be equal to this segment DE, and likewise this width BF is going to be equal to this width CH. If I label this side as lowercase a, then this side is going to be lowercase a as well. Likewise, lowercase a and lowercase a. And now let's make an observation. We can see this whole side AD length is going to be a plus a is going to give us 2 times a. So therefore, this side BC length is going to be 2 times a as well. And since this length of this green rectangle is 2 times a, so therefore this length AF is going to be 2 times a, and this DH length is going to be 2 times a as well. So therefore this whole CD length is going to be a plus 2a is going to give us 3 times a, and likewise this AB length is going to be 3 times a as well. And since we are interested in calculating the area of this blue rectangle ABCD, and now let's recall the area of rectangle formula. Area is always equal to length times the width of the rectangle. And in our case, the length of this blue rectangle is 3 times a, whereas the width is 2 times a. So therefore, the blue rectangle area is going to be 3 times a times 2 times a. If we multiply, that is going to give us 6 times a square. So the blue rectangle area turns out to be 6 times a square. And now our task is to find the value of lowercase a. And now we are interested in calculating the perimeter of this blue rectangle ABCD as well. And we know the perimeter of this blue rectangle is going to be simply the sum of all these 4 side lengths of this blue rectangle ABCD. So therefore we can write the perimeter is going to be 2 times a plus 3 times a plus 2 times a, and finally plus 3 times a. If we add, we are going to get 10 times a. So thus the perimeter of this blue rectangle turns out to be 10 times lowercase a. And now our task is to solve for lowercase a. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle BCD. And bear in mind that this angle is our 90 degrees angle, since we are dealing with this blue rectangle ABCD. And now we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle to solve for lowercase a. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 26, whereas our two other legs are 3 times a and 2 times a. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got 3 a whole square plus 2 times a whole square equal to 26 square. Let's simplify. That is going to give us 9 times a square plus 4 times a square equal to 676. Let's combine these like terms. 13a square equal to 676. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 13 to isolate a square. So therefore a square value turns out to be equal to 52. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking the square root on both sides. So therefore our lowercase a value is going to be 2 times the square root of 13. So thus our lowercase a value simply turns out to be 2 times square root of 13. And now we are going to calculate the area of this blue rectangle ABCD. And now let's recall the blue rectangle area is equal to 6 times a square. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So 6 times our lowercase a value is 2 times the square root of 13 whole square. Let's go ahead and simplify furthermore. That is going to give us 6 times 52, and that's going to be equal to 312 square units, the area of this blue rectangle. And finally we are going to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle ABCD as well. And now let's recall the blue rectangle perimeter equals to 10 times a. And once again our lowercase a value is 2 times square root of 13. Let's go ahead and substitute. So 10 times our lowercase a value is 2 times square root of 13. So that is going to be equal to 20 times the square root of 13 units, the perimeter of this blue rectangle. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the blue rectangle area turns out to be 312 square units. And likewise the blue rectangle perimeter turns out to be 20 times the square root of 13 units. And that perimeter is going to be approximately equal to 72.11 units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.